Hey guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's nail art tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create 5 cute and easy festive nails for Christmas. These easy nail designs all incorporate my new rose gold studs, which I've been really in love with lately. So sit back, relax, and let me guide you through these super cute designs. So as always, I'm going to begin my manicure with a good base coat. Here I'm using one of my favorites, which is Anchor by Zoya. The clear base coat will prep your nails for colored polishes. It helps polish adhere to your nails, and it will also help protect them from staining. Next, I decided to paint all of my nails with one of my all-time favorite nude polishes. This is Bubble Bath by OPI. It's a sheer pinky beige. I wanted these designs to appear minimalistic, so I went with this sheer base to tie them all together and allow my natural nails to show through a little. Once I applied 2 coats, I gave my nails a few minutes to fully dry. So the first design I will be showing you is a little gift box. For this, you will need a bright red polish and either a long, thin nail art brush or a striping polish, which is what I'm using here. Start by drawing a vertical line off-center down your nail. Once you've finished that, add a horizontal line near the tip. For the next step, I will be using a very tiny detail brush. This one is my current favorite, and it's a Peachy brush by Mitty. I will link her shop for you guys in the description box below if you're interested, along with a coupon code that she was kind enough to give me for you guys. So with the detail brush dipped into red polish, I'm adding 2 little lines like so, and then 2 little loops above to finish off the bow. Guys, be sure to have both hands rested on the table to minimize any shaking. So next, I'll be adding my top coat, which is Essie's Good to Go. Be sure to glide the brush across your design without pulling on it. Now that the top coat is dry, I'm taking my Kiss brush on glue and I'm adding a little drop to the center of the bow. So now it's time for my favorite part, which is using my new rose gold stud wheel. Guys, I love all of the different shapes that came in this wheel, along with how pretty and shiny the finish of these studs are. If you're interested in this wheel, I will link it for you guys down below, along with all the other products that I'm using in this video. So, next I'm taking out my trusty crystal Katana, and it's going to help me easily pick up and place my nail studs. I'll be using this little square stud turned as a diamond shape for the gift box. So once I've placed the stud, I flip around my tool and I use the other side to make sure it's where I want it and it's secure. And now the little gift box design is finished. Our next nail art design is a Christmas tree. To make this design super easy, we're going to be using striping tape. You will need to cut 5 little strips of it. Once you've done that, it's time to place them on our nail. Begin by creating a triangle shape using 2 of the strips. Once you've done that, add the 3rd strip going diagonally near the top of the tree. Then add another strip going the other way like so. And finally, cross the last strip over the 4th one near the bottom of the design. Be sure to press down on all of your strips to make sure they're secure. Now you'll need a green polish. The one I'm using is Wyatt by Zoya, which is the perfect shade of Christmas green. Apply your green polish all over the tree area. Now, working quickly, peel each strip off in the opposite order that you place them. So peel the last one you placed first, and so on. And now you have an easy Christmas tree with some garland running through it. Guys, if you have any little spots that you'd like to touch up, you can go in with a tiny detail brush dipped into acetone. Now it's top coat time. Once that's dried, I'm going to add some nail glue to the top of the tree. And then I'm going to use this adorable rose gold star stud. Your Christmas tree is complete. The third design I'll be showing you guys today is some holly. Begin with a tiny detail brush dipped into green polish. To create the holly, carefully draw a line with 2 peaks in it like so. Then mirror what you just did on the other side to finish the outline of the holly leaf. Now I'm going to be creating a second holly leaf on the other side of the nail. If you're doing yours a little long like I am, be sure to angle them both down towards the tip of your nail as shown here. This allows for more room. And now guys, it's time to fill them in. So you can use the detail brush as shown here, or you could stipple the polish in with a toothpick if that's what you prefer. It's top coat time. Once that's dried, we're going to add 3 drops of glue between our holly leaves for the berries. And now for the rose gold berries. Aren't they so pretty? I think this shape works perfectly for the berries. And now your design is complete. For our fourth design, which is a string of lights, you will need either a black striper as shown here, or a long thin nail brush dipped into black polish. Draw a thin black curvy line going across your nail for the wire. Next, add in some little bulb sockets with the tip of your brush. These will be where your studs go. Guys, it's okay if they're not perfect, because most of it will be covered up by the lights anyway. Then add a top coat and give it a couple minutes to dry. Then it's time to add a drop of glue and then add the little Christmas light shape stud. Be sure to only add the drop of glue right before you place the stud. If you place all 4 glue drops first, the last couple might be dried before you get to them. And now your adorable little string of Christmas lights is complete. Finally, we will be doing a reindeer design, so get out a brown nail polish. I wanted to keep this simple for you guys, so I decided to use the brush that comes in the brown nail polish bottle to draw the reindeer's head. It's quite easy to do, just start in the middle of the nail and curve each side out as you near the tip. Then, with your tiny detail brush, add in an antler on each side of the reindeer's head. Draw 1 long line first, and then 2 shorter ones coming out from the long one. Next up is the reindeer's eyes. For this, you will need a dotting tool. This particular one has 2 sides to it, a larger one and a smaller one. I'll be using the smaller one. So take a deep breath and hold it while you dot the eyes. Yay, done! They came out pretty even. So now you'll need to top coat the design. Here I'm adding some glue to the tip of the nail for our reindeer's rose gold nose. And now you have a reindeer that's way more chic than Rudolph. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 easy Christmas nail designs. You can watch more fun videos here on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes. Be sure to subscribe by clicking this circle and join the early squad by hitting the bell. Take care, and I'll see you next time!